In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks to efficiently manage your expenses, a crucial aspect of maintaining your business's financial health. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or new to managing finances, QuickBooks offers user-friendly features to simplify your expense tracking and reporting, and in just a few steps, you'll be ready to utilize these for your benefit. Let's begin by directing your browser to QuickBooks. You'll want to navigate to the home page at qbo.intuit.com. Take a moment to log in with your credentials if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here you'll see a plethora of options and features designed to help manage your finances, but for today, we'll focus on expenses. From the home page, look towards the left-hand menu and click on the option labeled Expenses. This will take you to a comprehensive overview of your current financial outflow. Here you can view all transactions related to your business expenditures. This page is particularly helpful for spotting trends in where your money is going, which can aid in future budgeting decisions. Make sure to explore the tabs and filters available. They can be tailored to show specific timeframes or categories, giving you precise control over the data you need to analyze. Next, once you're on the expenses page, look for an option that highlights specific transactions. This could be a colored tag or a filter option designed to draw attention to particular entries, like those pending clearance or categorized under a specific account. Clicking on this highlight will help you drill down into more detailed views of the entries, allowing you to scrutinize them as necessary. This feature comes in handy when you're trying to focus on key transactions or those that need immediate attention for reconciliation purposes. Finally, after reviewing your expenses, you may want to print a summary or detailed report for your records or to share with colleagues or accountants. To do this, find and select the Print option. This button is usually located in the upper right-hand corner of the expenses page. When you click on it, QuickBooks will format a printable version of your current view. Before you print, remember to check your printer settings to ensure everything is in order. Printed reports can be invaluable, whether for monthly reviews or preparing for tax time, as they offer a tangible, organized view of your business's spending. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage, review, and document your business expenses in QuickBooks. Remember, regular expense reviews can help in maintaining financial discipline and supporting informed business decisions. If you have any questions or need further tips on using QuickBooks, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy budgeting!